This is Village Auto's 2011 Chevrolet Cruze LTZ 4-door sedan. Very clean two-owner vehicle, accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. You have the rear park assist, rear defrost, premium alloy wheels. Very sharp, well-maintained car. This one does come equipped with a 1.4-liter turbo 4-cylinder, along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $6,330. Let's get inside here for you. This one is a full leather interior, exceptionally clean as you can see. You do have full power options, including the power driver's side seat, AM/FM CD player with the USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth connectivity, OnStar, heated front leather seats, auto stick feature, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. Altogether, very clean, very well maintained vehicle that runs and drives out absolutely perfect. Stop on down at Village Auto, bring this 2011 Chevrolet Cruze LTZ home with you today.